Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find a Shein return QR code. Alright, and it's pretty easy to spot. Just go head over to your Me section right here at the bottom right, tap or click on it. Alright, now before you get a return QR code, you should start a return request. It could be on shipped, alright, your orders might be right here or under review. Just go ahead and select an order that you want to cancel and return. Now, once you click on cancel or return, you're going to want to go head over to returns right here and tap on the order. Once done, a QR code should automatically pop up. If not, go ahead and tap on an order that you want to return and a QR code should pop up, or it should be in the options below it. All right. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.